video, I'm going to be showing you guys my bathroom tour and my closet tour. So I'm going to give some organization tips. I know a lot of y'all have asked for this video and I think it's going to be really, really cool. So it's spring, which means I just did a huge spring cleaning. So my closet and my bathroom look so good and I'm so happy with it. Pretty soon a room tour is going to be coming up, which is also really exciting. I love my new room and I'm looking at it right now. I did a good job, let me just say. Comment down below if you guys want any more organization type videos, or I was also thinking about doing a bikini haul. Comment down below if you want to see that. Thanks today, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and let's get straight on with the video. Okay, so this is the door to my bathroom. Should notice is that the walls are white, and if you see any of my routines or anything, the walls are blue. So we decided to paint them white and I think they look so good. And here is the toilet. So interesting. And up here I just have a cute little candle. This one smells so good. My mom got it for me for Christmas actually, but I was waiting for like spring to come so that I could put a little candle in here, and it smells so good. Then up above I just have this sign that says keeping it real. Literally. I got this from Target and I think it's so pretty. I just love it, and the cursive, it's just so put together. Above my toilet is my windowsill. This is my favorite part. It's so pretty. I love because it's like the natural daylight and everything. So the first thing on my windowsill is this adorable succulent that I actually made in a DIY. So it looks really pretty with the yellow. And then I just have some flowers from Michael's in a mason jar. We already had this mason jar. I just love the flowers and the succulents to make it look springy. And then I have this really pretty sign that was actually Lily's, and I stole it from her like a really long time ago, but it's okay. I think the colors are so pretty, and then yellow, yellow, a little bit of yellow here. Next to the toilet and the windowsill is my sink. This is where I brush my teeth and wash my face and all that. So up here I have this organizer that actually a fan gave to me, and it was for makeup, but I decided to use it for my bathroom. So I have two little lotions here. This one's from Bath & Body Works, and this one I got from Island. My granny gave it to me. And three lotions actually. This one's also from Bath & Body Works. It's really pretty. I love purple, pink, yellow, like yes. And then I have another lotion. This one's also from Bath & Body Works. It's really pretty. It's just a peachy one. I got this one from my friend for Christmas. And then I have a perfume. This one's 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. I'm obsessed. So for my toothpaste, there's like a step 1 and step 2. The step 1 couldn't fit in these organizers, so I have the step 2 and my toothbrush, and of course it's pink because, like, you know, it's me. Above my little organizer, I have these really pretty flowers in a vase. We actually already had this vase. I just decided to put the flowers in there because it looks so pretty. The flowers just help it look super springy next to the succulent. On the sink, I also have my jewelry holder. So this just has some rings. These are all really nice rings. This jewelry holder is from Target, by the way. And then down here is kind of a mess, but I have a lot of jewelry. So I have chokers and necklaces. Then I have the huge mirror. Hey guys. So that is my countertop. Okay, and then down here we've got my drawers. So in the first drawer, I just have things that I use all the time. So like all my face products, and then some lipstick and a lip balm. I also have Tax because I'm constantly using Tax. And this is the step 2. The step 1 toothpaste I was talking about. This is just stuff that I need to be able to just like grab whenever I need to. Then down here, I have hair stuff. First, back here, I have a hairbrush, and then I have this little like pouch, and it's fluffy. I got it from Forever 21. I just have some scrunchies and bobby pins and stuff in there. And then I have 2 hair dryers. One is like really pretty and florally, and then one is Hello Kitty when I used to be obsessed with Hello Kitty. And then I have a detangler that a fan gave to me. This is really nice. So when you have wet hair, you add this. This is all nail stuff and just like lotions and bath bomb. So I literally use a box and the lid to organize these. So that's a really cool life hack. You can literally use anything to organize all of your stuff. Okay, so down here in the first drawer, I have a bunch of nail stuff. So I have some fake nails, a bunch of nail polish. This is just all from different brands like Essie and Claire's nail polish. And then I have nail polish remover. And then up here, I have a bunch of like Bath & Body Works lotions. I also have like a million bath bombs. Most of these are from Bath & Body Works, I'm pretty sure. Then this is for traveling. I just have it here just like in case I ever need to grab it. It's just a little pouch that I can use. Then on the side, I have some face masks. I didn't know where else to put them. So these are all from Face Tory. They're so nice. I've already used a whole lot. And under the sink, I don't really have anything interesting, just some paper towels and cleaning stuff. Opposite the sink, I have have some paintings. So this is a chalkboard. Right now it doesn't have anything on it because I wanted it to look nice and clean for you guys. Up here is a painting that I think I made like forever ago, but it's just little and it goes really well with like the 3. This is a painting that my little brother made for me. It's so sweet. So my mom found this A and she just hot glued it on because I accidentally made a hole in this painting. She had to cover that by using this A. I love all of this art. It's so fun and I like how we did those two. Okay, so then we've got the shower and like the towel holder. I've just got some white towels in here. Up here is a cute little yellow basket just because it's yellow. I don't have anything in it. It just adds some nice decor. Then this is my shower. I love this wall. It looks like it's snowing. So this is my shower. Down here I just have like my favorite shampoos and conditioners. Is it for the bathroom. Okay, so now I'm at the door to my closet. So yes, this is my closet. Can you just hear that sound difference because there's so much clothes in here? Starting with the rug, I got this one from Ross. It's just like a plain white one. It's like longer than wide, so it fits my closet. So here is all of my clothes. Right here we've got long pants, so you know, just some long pants, some jeans. Then here I just have my little organizers. They're not super clean just because I have so much in them. So down here I have my phone case collection because I collect phone cases. You can click the eye in the corner to watch my phone case video. Yeah, you should totally watch my iPhone case collection video. I also have some belts for different outfits and stuff like that. Then in here I just have some underwear and I have like tights and like spandex. Up here is my swimsuit collection. So this used to be socks and underwear, but I moved it to my swimsuit collection because it's getting hotter, which is so exciting. So I'm totally gonna do a swimsuit collection video soon. Above the drawers I just have underwear and socks. I got this little bin from Target and it's really big and it just fits perfectly up here. Next we've got all of my rompers and dresses and overalls and all that stuff. Anything that's like down to the floor length. I like to separate my clothes by like this little white thing because it's holding up the brown bar. I don't even know. Over here I just have jacket. I hung up my backpacks on the wall because I have a lot of like mini-ish backpacks. So I've got an Adidas one and most of them have keychains. I love these little fluff balls. If you want to send me anything in my P.O. box, send me a keychain. Then I have this DIY backpack. I just hung these backpacks up with literally nails. Then I've got this plum backpack that my granny got me from Ireland. Down here I have this little seat. I have no idea where I've got this. I've had it for literally so long. So it's this little seat and the top opens. So I decided to put all of my fall and winter clothes in here. I actually have a video of me doing that. You can also click the eye in the corners. In my closet I have this really cool contraption that it just came with the closet. I love it. It's so cool. So I will start from the bottom. I have this pink drawer with a bunch of like winter stuff. So I've got like scarves, I have like mittens and all of that. Then I've got 2 pairs of shoes. I just have Adidas and heels just because I needed more room. 2 of my favorite purses that I use all the time. They just look really pretty there. This one I love. Next to the shelves I have some little bags. These are also hanging up on just literally nails. I just needed a place to put them, so I hung them up. And isn't it weird that they literally all have like gold chains? Then I have this sunglass holder. It is a DIY. Click the eye in the corner. Oh my gosh, so much promo. I made this sunglass holder so whenever I need a pair of sunglasses, I look. And of course I want the pink one. This is a door to our garage. So on the door I have one of these shoe hangers. Circling back around to the rest of the clothes, I just have shorts and skirts and things up here. And then I've got a white separator. And here I just have a bunch of shirts and sweaters and literally all of my shirts and crop top. And then here I have everything that wouldn't look good down here with the dresses, like jumpsuits and onesies. I love onesies. I didn't want them to get dirty on the ground, so I just folded everything that's long. I just folded them and put them back there. Under all of my clothes, I have a panel of wood that I just put a bunch of shoes on. I have a lot of shoes. And that, my friends, is my closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration from it. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!